Hello everyone, I greet you all from all over the world. So what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. On March 14th, 2025, the sky will present a rare and remarkable event. A total lunar eclipse that will bathe the moon in a brilliant red hue, creating the breathtaking phenomenon known as the blood moon. This cosmic occurrence is not just a celestial event, it holds deep significance coinciding with the 6th anniversary of PiNetwork. As PiNetwork celebrates its journey thus far, the universe itself seems to align with this milestone, signaling that a new era for the network is about to unfold. Over the past 6 years, PiNetwork has seen remarkable growth. The journey, though filled with challenges, has been one of continuous innovation, dedication, and belief. While many doubted the project in its early stages, the pioneers who supported and contributed to PiNetwork's vision never wavered. They continued mining, building, and expanding the network, all while holding firm to the belief that PiNetwork would eventually prove itself as more than just another cryptocurrency. Today, the network stands as one of the most inclusive blockchain projects with over 60 million users across the globe. PiNetwork has demonstrated that it can provide access to decentralized finance on an unprecedented scale. As PiNetwork nears 314 weeks since its inception, it is on the brink of a monumental shift. Just as the blood moon casts its red glow across the sky, PiNetwork too is about to step into the light, prepared to unveil its full potential. The upcoming launch of Open Mainnet signals the culmination of years of hard work, testing, and community-driven development. Much like the momentary darkness that precedes the eclipse's full illumination, PiNetwork's journey has been one of patience and persistence. But now the world is about to witness the true brilliance of Pi. The much-anticipated Open Mainnet launch is not simply a technical update, it represents the beginning of a new chapter for PiNetwork. With Open Mainnet, PiNetwork will fully transition from its testnet phase into a fully decentralized open network that will be accessible to anyone around the world. This momentous shift will pave the way for decentralized applications, Pi-based commerce and real-world utility, all underpinned by Pi's energy-efficient mining model. The shift from a closed, invite-only network to an open ecosystem will enable millions more to engage with PiNetwork, expanding its reach and solidifying its place as a key player in the blockchain space. The launch of Open Mainnet will be the moment PiNetwork moves from concept to reality. It will demonstrate the immense potential of blockchain technology, not just for financial transactions, but as a platform for real-world impact. PiNetwork is designed to be an accessible digital asset built to cater to the masses, unlike many other cryptocurrencies that have struggled to gain widespread adoption due to their complexities or exclusivity. The occurrence of the total lunar eclipse on Pi Day is more than just an astronomical event. It serves as a cosmic sign, aligning perfectly with PiNetwork's journey. The blood moon is traditionally seen as a symbol of change and transformation in many cultures, and in this case it could be interpreted as a signal that PiNetwork is entering a transformative phase. The eclipse represents a brief period of darkness before the moon is revealed in full brilliance, much like how PiNetwork is emerging from its early stages into a global force. This celestial event underscores that PiNetwork's moment is now. The transformation that has been in the making for years is on the cusp of becoming a visible, impactful reality. The stars are speaking and their message is clear. PiNetwork's potential is about to be fully realized, and the world will soon understand the true value of Pi. For the pioneers who have stayed dedicated to the project from the beginning, the upcoming Open Mainnet launch is a moment of vindication. The pioneers who have mined Pi daily, contributed to the community, and believed in the mission of PiNetwork will soon see the rewards of their efforts. The launch will not only be a technological achievement, but also a powerful reminder that patience, perseverance, and belief in a collective vision have the power to create lasting change. PiNetwork's transition into open Mainnet will mark the beginning of a new era in decentralized finance. The pioneers will soon be joined by millions more users, creating an ecosystem that spans across countries, industries, and sectors. This global movement will allow individuals to take control of their own financial futures, participate in blockchain-based economic systems, and contribute to a more inclusive digital economy. And as PiNetwork moves toward the launch of Open Mainnet, it is clear that the time for this transformation has finally arrived. The total lunar eclipse on March 14, 2025 is the perfect metaphor for the journey PiNetwork has taken and the brilliant future that awaits. The coming years will be defined by a new understanding of what cryptocurrency can be, a tool for financial empowerment, global inclusion, and decentralized innovation. For the pioneers who have stood by the network through thick and thin, the future is full of promise. The next phase of PiNetwork is almost here, and with it comes a new world of possibilities. Stay focused, stay strong, and remember, your time is coming.